Hi, this is Audrey Jones, and today I'm going to show you how to add pairs to your MT4, as well as how to organize them in an order that's easy for you to find when you get ready to trade. In the upper right-hand corner where you see the plus sign, click the plus sign. In the field that says Find Symbols, click that field and type in the pair that you want to add. In this case, it's CAD-JPY. You see it appear at the bottom in blue. You will simply click on it, and it will appear on your list. In the upper left-hand corner where it says Add Symbol, click it, and it brings you back to your list. Now let me show you another way to add pairs. In the upper right-hand corner, click the plus sign again. If you do not know the symbol, there are categories listed below that will give you the pairs for you to find. So in this case, Forex 2, it's CAD-JPY is listed there. And if you click on each category, it gives you different pairs for you to add. If you want to click on energies and trade crude oil, you can do that. And crypto, if you want to trade cryptocurrencies, you can click on Bitcoin or any currency that you have an interest in for crypto. Now I'm going to go back to Forex 2, and I'm going to select CAD-JPY. In the upper left-hand corner where it says Add Symbol, I'm going to click that. Brings me back to my list. Now, any pairs that you add, you have to scroll all the way to the bottom because they're going to be added to the bottom. But I may not want my pair at the bottom. I may want it at the top. So let me show you how to rearrange the order so it works best for you. In the upper right-hand corner where you see the pencil, you're going to click the pencil, and you're going to scroll down. You're going to find the pair that you want to move to the top. In this case, it's CAD-JPY. I'm going to press on it. Once it turns bold, I'm going to keep my finger on it, and then I'm going to move it all the way to the top. Now, another nice thing is that you can group these by pairs. So, say, for example, I want to put all my GBP pairs together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it. Once it turns bold, I'm going to move it up. Here's another one. I'm going to move it up. And I believe there was another GBP pair here at the bottom. I'm going to press on it. I'm going to hold it with my finger. Once it turns bold, I'm going to move it up. And now I have my GBP pairs. And say I want to do the same thing for Euro. I'm going to hold it, press on it. Once it turns bold, I'm going to move it up. I'm going to do another one and hold it with your finger, press on it. Once it turns bold, hold on to it and then drop it where you want it to go. Now another nice thing is that you can put these in alphabetical order. If you don't want to group them by pairs, you can put them in alphabetical order, or you can put your favorite pairs at the top. So say you have a favorite pair and you want to move it at the top, you can do that. So you can rearrange this list in any order that you want that makes it easier and quicker for you to find your pairs when you get ready to enter a trade. Now say there's a pair on here that you do not want and you don't trade it anymore, you can get rid of it. So in the upper right hand corner where you see the trash can, you're going to click on the trash can, and as you can see, boxes appear to the right of each pair. You can click on that box and you could see the check mark appear, and those will be the ones that you would delete. But if you say, okay, I don't want to delete all of these, I just want to delete the CAD-JPY, you uncheck the other ones, keep CAD-JPY checked, and then in the upper right hand corner, you click the trash can again, and CAD-JPY has disappeared. In the upper left corner, you want to click on selected symbols, and it brings you back to your list. As you can see, CAD-JPY is no longer here. You can also see that the GBP pairs are together. You can also see that your Euro pairs are together. So it's a nice way to organize your list. Again, you can do it in alphabetical order. You can also put your favorite pairs at the top. And that way, when you get ready to trade, you're not fumbling through this list trying to find the pairs going up and down and not knowing where they are. So I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, please click on the like button and subscribe for more helpful tips.